Siyempre, unang-una nagpapasalamat kami sa taong bayan na nakita yung ginagawa ng House of Representatives para sa ating mamamayan. I think, among others, madaming mga naging issues naman na tinakal ang House of Representatives, mga investigative hearings na ginawa ang House, ang impeachment, pati yung mga pagsagot sa mga issues na kinakailangang matugunan dito sa ating bansa. At pinaka-importante, I think, nakita din kasi yung pagkakaisa ng mga miyembro ng House of Representatives, of course, through the leadership of Speaker Martin Romualdez. I think all of that combined contributed to the high trust ratings according sa survey. And naging consistent naman ang House from the 19th Congress being one of the most productive Congresses that we've had. And we can see with the leadership of Speaker Martin, patuloy naman ang kanyang pamumuno, yung kanyang ginawang consensus building sa mga House leaders and party leaders. At nakikita natin na even with the new roster of House leaders in the 20th Congress, we can see that we are looking forward to a more productive 20th Congress compared sa 19th Congress. And we're hoping na magiging consistent ang we are looking forward na magiging consistent ang House dun sa trabaho na sinimulan at papag-igtingin pa, papagandahin pa para makita din talaga ng taong bayan na ang House of Representatives ay totoong House of the People.